Hi friends, welcome to our cooking voyage. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for instant notification. Today's recipe is wheat rava khichdi. Let's take a look at the ingredients required for rava khichdi. Heat a pan. Once it is hot, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Once the ghee is melted, add a broken wheat rava and saute for 10 minutes. Keep the flame in the medium and stir continuously. After 10 minutes, you can see the rava turns a light golden brown. At this stage, turn off the flame. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon, cumin seeds, add mustard seeds and stir it for a minute. Once the mustard seeds are popped, add curry leaves, chopped ginger, green chillies and give it a stir. Now add chana dal and urad dal. Fry them till it gets golden brown. You can see the temperings are fried well. It's time to add chopped onions. Saute it until the onions are lightly translucent. You can add vegetable of your choice. I'm just going to add peas and carrot. Adding a teaspoon of salt to make the onions cook fast. Once the onions are cooked, add carrot. Saute and cook for 5 minutes. Now add peas. Give it a mix. Add tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are soft. Now the tomatoes are cooked. It's time to add water. I have taken 2 cups of rava, so I am adding 4 cups of water to it. You can see the water is boiling now. At this stage, add a lemon juice and few coriander leaves. Now keep the flame to medium and slowly add the rava. Now give it a gentle mix and you can see there are no lumps in it. It shows that the rava was sauteed perfectly. Now close the lid and put the weight on. Leave it for 2 whistles. Turn off the flame and wait until the pressure comes down. Now the steam is released. Open the pressure cooker. And now you can see the rava khichdi is ready to serve. It smells great and cooked perfectly. I'm garnishing it with coriander leaves. You can serve this khichdi with the chutney of your choice. Today I am going to serve this khichdi with our family's favorite peanut chutney. Do try this recipe at your home. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay happy and be safe. Bye bye.